In this video, we will see how to create and publish WordPress post from phone. Before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added. Click Open WordPress mobile app. And next, we can open either the free WordPress site created in WordPress.com site. Or if we have our own professional site, we need to type in the site domain name. And again, we need to log in with our login credentials first. Next, we can either click post icon here or blog post tab here. Next, you can see here we have published posts and posts that are still in draft format. Posts that are scheduled can be found here, and posts that's already deleted are in the trash folder or bin. Let's see how to create a post here. We can type an appropriate title for the post here. Next, we can add the content for the post along with formatting text. We can click on Image option to insert image from our phone storage, or we can click and add new image, or we can add image that we have uploaded to our WordPress site from WordPress Media Library. Next, we can add heading text here along with text content below. We can either publish the post immediately or have the option to choose a future date. And just like in desktop version, we can add keyword-filled tags for the post and publish the content right away. We can confirm the post has been published in the Published Post section. And you can see that it is done successfully. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. If the video was helpful, you can like, share, and comment on the video, and also subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added. Thank you.